Chapter 3. Part 35. A certain sheikh, son of a sheikh, and a man of great reputation for learning, came to Konya and was respectfully visited by all the people of eminence residing there. It so happened that Jalal and his friends were gone that day to a mosque in the country, and the newcomer, offended at Jalal's not basting to visit him, made the remark in public, "Has Jalal never heard the adage, the newly arrived one is visited?" One of Jalal's disciples chanced to be present and heard this remark. On the other hand, Jalal was expounding sublime truths in the mosque to his disciples. When suddenly he exclaimed, "My dear brother, I am the newly arrived one, not thou. Thou and those like thee are bound to visit me and so gain honor to yourselves." All his audience were surprised at this apostrophe, wondering to whom it was addressed. Jalal then spake a parable. One man came from Baghdad, and another went forth out of his house and board. Which of the two ought to pay the first visit to the other? All agreed in opinion that the man from Baghdad ought to be visited by the other. Then Jalal explained thus: in reality, I am returned from the Baghdad of Maliquity, whereas this dearly beloved son of a sheikh who has come here has gone forth from a ward of this world. I am better entitled, therefore, to be visited than is he. I have been hymning in the Baghdad of the world of spirits, the heavenly canticle. I am the truth, since a time anterior to the commencement of the present war, ere the truth obtained its victory, the disciples expressed their concurrence and rejoiced exceedingly. By and by the sheikh's son was informed of this wonder. He at once arose, went on foot to visit Jalal, uncovered his head, and owned that Jalal was right. He further declared himself Jalal's disciple, and said, "My father enjoined me to put on iron sandals, taking an iron-shod staff in my hand, and go forth in quest of Jalaluddin, since it is a duty of all to visit and reverence him who has spoken the truth and reposes on the truth. But the majesty of Jalal is 100-fold greater than what my father exclaimed to me."